with the Android system, right? But the doors do have to be closed. Here you connect it to the Bluetooth. Turn the camera itself. Oh. So basically right here, you do adjust the brightness of it. And then these are just the preset colors. Here's the lights, right? Turn over here.
What are you doing right now?
Connecting the canvas connector.
Alright Chris, which part are you installing right now?
We're doing a power trunk. Power trunk.
Oh yeah.
Because don't you remember this? Look at this right down here. Or here. The gap is.
I've been on the right.